Hi, this agent will generate a learning path by curating learning resources from across the internet. It's targeted towards a beginner or somebody who understands the subject a little. This is not for somebody who's pretty advanced and is looking for something that'll get them to the absolute next level, or an intermediate user that wants to get really advanced. I don't know if AI can automatically generate helpful resources for advanced users, but for beginners or somebody looking to start out or somebody who knows a little about a topic, this is the perfect agent for that. What it'll do is it'll take some inputs from you, like what is the skill that you want to learn? What is your current knowledge? You could say you either have no knowledge or some basic knowledge. Why you want to learn this, so your learning goal. So you're changing your career. Is it a skill enhancement? Is it just a personal interest? Is it for certification? Is it business? Tell us like how many hours you can spend per week and how long you have to achieve this goal. And then based on the selection that you have, this agent will then go run and generate an output. You can go click on actions, share this output and make a copy of it. And what that will do is give you a copy of this learning plan that you can then keep with yourself. So you can go back and review this. So you'll notice it's for 8 weeks, 1 to 3 hours. So about 2 hours a week, 16 hours practical, hands-on. And so week two, you'll understand core principles. Week four, you'll learn a little bit about Adobe, and then you'll create a simple business branding project. The success basically is that you should be developing foundational skills. uh, One thing I do want to point out is that while we are trying very, very hard to make sure that the resources and the links work, sometimes despite our best efforts, it's about a 95% accuracy is what we can commit to with AI. So a link might not work here or there, in which case, just go search for that particular link and then follow the instructions. What it does do is for each week, then you can see it tells you week one, introduction to graphic design. These are your learning objectives. Go watch this, explore this. Then week two, you can go apply balance contrast. So now you're learning a little bit about graphic design, study core design principles, apply that in principle. And then week three, start talking about that. Week four, you start going into branding. Week five, you start doing some project-based learning. Week six, you're doing a business branding project, and then you develop your portfolio. And so for each of these, there's an activity that you can go follow. It tells you how long to spend, gives you a link. Again, like I said, most of these links should work, but every once in a while one might not work, in which case please go Google the link to get the latest link for this information. And that's it. That's your Learning Curator agent. I hope you use it and find it valuable.